Hi, everybody. It's Michelle Grace Lesserard from marketingforhealers.com and also michellegrace.com. I wanted to come to you today and talk a bit about the member vault area where you're going to find the content that you've registered for and how to make that easier for you. So with that, let me go and share my screen and we'll get into the content area on member vault so you can actually see what's going on and also to just understand how to make your way through it. I know it may look a bit complicated at first, but it's pretty simple once you understand this to that to this. Okay, so there's products. You'll find all my products within the member vault area that you can work with if you've registered or you've paid for a product or a course. You'll find it here on member vault. You can look over to the left. This is the menu, so to speak. Here for this particular, I'm using a dummy account called Grace Bailey. Grace Bailey has access to her products are Doodle Your Passions course and also the 2020 Initiate Retreat. You can also see that she's not purchased the astrology reading for Jupiter. That's an available product. You can tell it's a product that she hasn't bought, or you can tell whether you bought it or not, because you're going to see buy now or some sort of registration link. And once you register, you should be automatically put into the member vault area. Now, I will say this, you have to make sure that you're consistently using the same email address, because your email, again, and your password are predicated on how you signed up initially for the course, how you paid for it in your shopping cart. That's the email address that we use. And so you want to make sure that it's consistent throughout. And if you need to change that, then just let me know and we'll figure that out. So anyway, if you ever want to collapse this sidebar area, you just go up to this black and white infographic at the upper left-hand corner. You hit it. Now you're got all the products. There's no little cheat sheet on the side, on the left-hand side. If you want to come back to home, meaning all the products, then you just hit the home button. If you want to look at that left-hand sidebar again, then you just go there. You can access the courses from there, or you can scroll down and access the course from here. We're going to go into the Initiate Retreat. So we want to view the product. Okay. We're now in the Initiate Retreat course. There's a welcome page. This is the welcome page, and you're going to see that there's, again, we can collapse. With the purple tells us where you've landed. If you were in Doodle Your Passions, you can click it to go there. But if you don't need that sidebar area, you can certainly collapse it and just work with the content here. So on the left-hand side, there's going to be an area of, the welcome area, welcome space, and then the modules are on the right. So there's 3 modules for the Initiate Retreat. There's the content and lessons where the downloads are. There's the Jupiter video that has bonus content for those who got a reading. And you can certainly view that video if you want to learn more about Jupiter and Capricorn. And then we're having a bonus call on January 7th. That content will be placed in when it's ready, it'll be in that module. So there's the welcome page, the modules, and then we move into a module. So let's view the module for the content and lessons in the Initiate Retreat. Okay, so now we're at the welcome page for that. Seems kind of redundant why you have to do it 3 times, but that's the way they set it up. So we go into lessons on the left-hand side. Anytime you see a blue bar, you can click it. The yellow tells you where you are in that module. Okay, here we are. Here is the video from the 4-hour retreat we had on Saturday. Scroll down, content and lesson. It's a welcome message to say, here you are. Again, you can still see the left-hand side. You can collapse that, so you're just having all the content, access to the content. So we have the video, then we have the audio. You can listen to and download the audio for the 4-hour retreat just over here. So right click the button in the upper right hand corner for SoundCloud. Click that. It's going to automatically ask you if you want to save it. I'm not going to save it right now, but you can download it to your computer. I will be doing a home play of the clearings. What's that? It's an audio version of the clearings I ran. Expect to see that posted here on Wednesday, so you can listen to it and use it as a tool. That's just a gift to you from me. Here is the downloads for the workbook, the Deadwood Ritual, how to get ready for the retreat if you've not joined in and you're going to be working through it. I will say this, later today I'm going to add where lesson 1 begins, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, working through the day. So it'll be time so you can run to that part of the audio or the video, so you're not having to scroll through everything. Because we're on and off the phone, and it's just easier. Sometimes somebody wants to return back to a lesson and take it a bit deeper. And there's some questions I asked. What did you discover through working through the doodles? And another question that you're welcome to answer. If you were here and you wanted to move to the next module, the Jupiter and Capricorn module, you just go to the right-hand side and you click it. And again, you're in the module for the Jupiter and Capricorn video. You click the lesson, brings up the lesson, and here's the video. So it's module, lesson. Lessons will always contain the content. The modules will tell you where you are. The lessons tell you what you're working with and the content. Just keep in mind, I need lessons give you the lessons give you the audio and the video and the downloads. Lessons will give me the audio, the videos, and the downloads. So let's see what happens when we go to the previous module. Previous module wants us to take us into the lesson. Here's the initiate retreat. So you can go back and forth. You can just scroll through the modules until you come to the lesson you want. You can go back. You can also always go back to the home page and escape out of that. So that's how you work through MemberVault. I'll be adding more content. I don't know whether I said this, but they're rolling out a whole new look for this. And that'll be coming at the end of this month, the beginning of the year. It's going to be much more streamlined and easier to move through. I've been told that they're taking out the sidebar. That's fine. Goodbye. And it'll be easier to understand. They're just really wonderful people, and I love working with them. I highly recommend MemberVault. And if you want to sign up for MemberVault, here's the link down here. I do get an affiliate. I get a small payment if you sign up, and I love for you to try it out for your own content. And if you need to access anything, here's all my links. You can access Michelle Grace, my Instagram, Marketing for Healers, the Facebook page, and I'm going to also add a MeWe link. So at any point you want to come on to the MeWe, you just have to scroll down and you'll land on MeWe. And that's where we're having the forum. So thank you everybody for joining me today. And I will see you at MeWe. Take care. Bye-bye.